Yeah, I think there's a couple things. One, games are always something that I think people naturally love to apply new interesting technology on. A lot of people who learned how to program did so first by making mods, for me, it was like Age of Empires or StarCraft map editor where I'm like doing my kind of like if then triggers. Number two, I think being a dungeon master is actually a very hard thing to do. You have to be very creative. You have to manage a bunch of systems. You have to do it all on the fly and come up with a lot of things out of air. And you tend to do it as like an everyday person. It's like there are professionals, but most dungeon masters are not professionals. They're just, a guy who volunteered to play that role with his friends. It became clear that ChatGPT can especially supplement some of the parts that are hardest for a lot of people being dungeon master, which is that kind of like out of nothing creatives come up with ideas. Because I think humans are very good at refining and saying what is good and what's not good. And I think the average human, it's harder to create something from nothing. That's the reverse problem with AI. AI is very good at just coming with a bunch of ideas. And it's not as good at knowing which ideas are good or bad, at least relative to most humans.